Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To lose a turn. 1 North American informal. A throw of 2 ones with a pair of dice. If a player now rolls snake eyes, then that player is entitled to lose a turn. The term snake eyes is the outcome of rolling the dice in a game of craps and getting only 1 pip on each die. Single quote.
Take our lead.
In modern parlance, it refers to such a roll in any game involving dice. Because this is the lowest possible roll, and will often be a loser in many dice games, such as craps, the term has been employed in a more general usage as a reference to bad luck. The odds of rolling snake eyes on 2 6-sided dice are 1 in 36.
Take our lead.
What does it mean when your snake keeps staring at you? Your snake might seem to stare if it's asleep, hungry, or having the stargazing syndrome. All these will depend on your snake's breed and its behavioral responses. Once you understand your pet, you will be able to tell what it wants to communicate by a stare.
Take our lead.
A common element in almost all Snake Eyes figures is that his face is covered, except for the 2005 classified series action figure, depicting him before he was disfigured. The 1991 version was also released as a 12 inches G.I. Joe Hall of Fame action figure in 1992.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.